talong, honey?
Dalawa pa wala.
It's yours.
Oh, ito.
That's funny.
Hey guys, feeding program time. Yung mga kids, meron sila sang food. So it's part of the class, part of the program. Ang bata magkain ng gulay. Ayan. So ito ang kanilang break time, guys. At niluluto yan sa likod. Liit na bata.